Does your face sometimes feel heavy at the end of the day? It could be fascia tension and lack of flow. So in today's video, we're going to do a really great 5-minute restful fascia release and lymphatic drainage on the facial and the neck area. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and you can use a really lovely nighttime oil or even a night cream just for a bit of grip and glide. So just gently applying onto the fingers and then all along the facial area and the neck area. So these are going to be nice, slow, mindful movements, melting into the fascia and relaxing for a lovely, restful sleep. So with one hand at a time, we're taking our palm of our hand here for more surface area and placing just behind the ear, placing our hand onto our shoulder, and just very, very slowly and gently, we're gliding down, first of all, down the SEM muscle, from the back of the ear, all the way down this muscle to the collarbone. And then on the other side, from the back of the ear, down the side of the neck here, SEM muscle down to the collarbone. Nice and light, really helping with lymphatic flow. And then from the chin all the way down, where our collarbone is just above, we have some indentations, and you just give those a few gentle presses to also open out literally the lymphatic gates. So now let's start on the jawline area, placing our thumb under our chin, fingers as a hook, and just gently gliding all the way along the jawline. Nice and light, slow and mindful. Making sure that we're sitting nice and straight for maximum oxygen, blood flow and detoxification to the face and the neck area. And then just taking the fingers, let's just place it onto the masseter muscle where we hold lots of tension in our jaw. And so just placing our fingers all along here, and then just very gently start to melt the fingers and the palms into that jawline here, that masseter muscle at the side here. Releasing any tension on the facial area and just going a bit deeper. You can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose for 4 and out for 6 as well, again helping with blood flow, circulation and calming down the nervous system. And one last time. And then taking our fingers, making a scissor-like shape, let's work from the jawline all the way up along those smile lines, nice and light, towards the nostrils here and the side of the cheeks. Again, nice, light, slow movements. Now the fascia is like a connective tissue within the whole of the system of the body, and we're working superficially on the facial and the neck area today. And then just coming from the nostrils and gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then using the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, we're coming between the eyes and gliding down towards the bone is under the eye, and then just gently moving towards the temples. And again, this slow and mindful, literally melting in. This is a light feather light touch, and you can do these every evening or even 3 or 4 times a week. It's a nice evening routine. Get ready for sleep. And then placing the hands onto either side of our temples here. Again, just very gently press and melt in. Again, really calming down the nervous system. This will also help with if you have any headiness, headaches, I would say TMJ as well, and even jaw issues as well. And then just work in a very light circular motion. Just one way and then the other. And then we're going to work on the brow area. We hold a lot of tension in the face during the daytime and everything comes forward. We want to just lift everything up by releasing any tight fascia here. So taking some fingers, we're just going to place them just where the brow is. Again, shoulders nice and straight. We do some nice deep belly breathing again. And you just want to melt the fingers into the eyebrow area here. In through the nose for 4. And out either through the nose or the mouth for 6. And one last time. Melting in with the fingers. And then just coming along with the fingers now, gliding along from between the eyebrows. And then working all the way along, nice and light here. From the eyebrow towards the hairline and that temple area. Again, we're going nice and slow and mindful. And then interconnecting our fingers, and we're just now gliding from the center of the forehead towards the temple area. Placing our thumb onto our temples, fingers, pads of the fingers into the hairline now, and then just gently press, nice and light on the scalp, and very lightly on the temple area. Again, let's just take another couple of deep belly breaths, in through the nose for 4, and out through the nose for 6. Or the mouth, whatever's easiest for you. One more time. And then with the ring finger under the eyes, going towards the temples and lifting up lower part of the face now, upwards and outwards motion, not forgetting above the lips. Again, further light touch. The lymph is very close also to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be too heavy-handed. And then thumb placed under the chin, fingers above, and just gently gliding where we have plenty of lymph nodes under the jawline towards the ears. And then just taking the fingers, gliding front of the ears, and then behind the ears. And then with one hand at a time, down that big SCM muscle again, down to the collarbone. And then on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, those indentations again, if you can just give those a few gentle presses with the pads of the fingers, and this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the facial and the neck area into the body. So after doing this, I'd really recommend a nice glass of warm water to really help hydrate the fascia and also for detoxification. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video and have a good night's sleep. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this, and please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.